Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Korean conversation practice. Ordering food in Korean. Imagine this. You walk into a cozy Korean restaurant in Seoul. The smell of sizzling bulgogi fills the air. You sit down, but suddenly, the server comes over and speaks only Korean. No English, no menu translations, just you and Korean. What do you do? Today, you're going to learn exactly how to handle that situation. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently order food in Korean, from walking in to paying the bill. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. When you walk into a Korean restaurant, the staff might greet you with "어서 오세요," which means welcome. Now, if you want to say how many people are with you, you can say 두 명이에요. We are 2 people. Repeat after me. 두 명이에요. Good. If you're alone, say 혼자예요. I'm alone. Let's try that. 혼자예요. Great. The staff might ask 몇 분이세요, meaning how many people. You already know how to answer. Take your time. Respond naturally. Perfect. Once seated, you'll receive a menu. Now comes the important part. If you don't understand something on the menu, you can ask, 이거 뭐예요? What is this? Let's say it slowly. 이거 뭐예요? Nice. If you want a recommendation, 추천해주세요. Please recommend something. Repeat. 추천해주세요. Very good. Now the server comes. This is your moment. To order, say, 이거 주세요. I'll take this, please. Let's try, 이거 주세요. Excellent. If you want 2 of something, 두 개 주세요. Repeat slowly. 두 개 주세요. Good. If you want to be polite and specific, 불고기 하나 주세요. 1 bulgogi, please. Try it. 불고기 하나 주세요. You're doing great. If you want water, 물 주세요. Repeat. 물 주세요. If you want something else, like soda, 콜라 주세요. Nice. If you need something else, 이거 더 주세요. More of this, please. Say it. 이거 더 주세요. Very natural. Sometimes staff will check on you. 괜찮으세요? Is everything okay? You can reply, 네, 맛있어요. Yes, it's delicious. Repeat slowly. 네, 맛있어요. Perfect. When you're done, it's time to pay. You can say, 계산해주세요. Please give me the bill. Repeat. 계산해주세요. Excellent. In Korea, you usually go to the counter to pay. Before leaving, say, 잘 먹었습니다. I ate well, thank you. This is very important in Korean culture. Say it with respect. 잘 먹었습니다. Beautiful. Now, let's put everything together. Listen first, then repeat. 어서 오세요. 두 명이에요. 이거 뭐예요? 추천해주세요. 불고기 하나 주세요. 물 주세요. 네, 맛있어요. 계산해주세요. 잘 먹었습니다. Now your turn alone. Take your time. Speak confidently. Amazing. You just completed a full Korean restaurant conversation. Think about that. A few minutes ago, this might have felt impossible. Now, you can walk into a Korean restaurant and actually communicate. Keep practicing. Repeat this video again tomorrow and the next day, because confidence comes from repetition. I'll see you in the next lesson. 잘했어요. You did great.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.